Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In our previous video we have seen some key operators such as the equality, the inequality, and we have seen how to test them using different ways. Now in our new video we are going to talk more deeper on especially the equality operator. You are going to see how to test for the equality operator using another Python statement, is statement. So get set. So the Python is statement is used to test for the equality, but there's a slight difference between the two equal sign and the is, and we are going to see that in our console. So let's take for example a. Let me change my. Let's take a equals to 1. Now, as you know, to test for the equality, we use the double equal sign, which is a equals to 1, and it will return 2. So here we have test for the equality using the two equal sign. Now, what if you test for the equality using the is statement? You enter the same a equals to 1. a is 1. Here our Python returns true for a is 1 and a equals to 1. Now what the difference is on the part where because the is statement return true if the variable in question points to the same object. Meanwhile, the two equal sign returns true if the values are equal. Let's say for example a is equals to an empty list. A is equals to an empty list, and b is equals to an empty list. Now let us test for a is b using the is statement. Here the result is false, but if you try to see a double equal to b, the result will be true. And here the result is true because here a is an empty list and b is an empty list, so the two equal sign will be true because they are all list. But now the is false because they are all list but they are not the same list. A is a different list and b is a different list. That is why a is equals to b return false, but a double equals to b returns true. And the next important part that we are going to see is the we have seen that the inequality, which is like a, we test with the same a. Let's say a is equals to, let's say 12. Now a is not, this one is the mean of is not equals to 13. A is not equals to 13. Here the result is true because a is not equals to 13. But now there's another Python statement known as is not, which is different from this one. It is used to test for the identity, and we are going to see a good example on that. Let's say a is equals to 21. Now we are going to test this one using the Python null value denoted as none. So you see a is not, I've seen that Python have highlighted our is not, so a is not none, which means a is not a null value, and the result will be true. Here That is the key difference with this is not, there is not here and here. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.